The high chief's daughter, she died before the volcano. The lava around the grave. Yeah, we got a sour candy. For the Camino Mino, the Island,
Yeah. Ah, lấy đâu? Xima.
E para pala, e no ni si para pala. Uma quase ele com si
Kangul pala mal siapo.
Virgin's grave. Grave.
So is it a volcano or is it just like the crack?
Why is it called the Virgin?
The volcano did not go.
Around. It goes around.
It was a virgin.
So this is
It
the
couldn't
lava.
damage anything.
But because of the traditional beliefs of Samoan, the cannibals, the cannibals and all the coast,
So where did the lava come from? Where's the
from the top.
No, the volcano.
From the top.
it flew down.
Yeah,
Flowed
from the top,
from the
yeah.
volcano. Where's the volcano?
All up, because you can't see the whole area.
This is all lava.
Yeah, all lava. We haven't, this is not even halfway. When we go this way, you can see the whole lava all the way.
Oh wow.
6
So this
years.
is in 19.
05.
That's a lava.
This would have taken out heaps
Yeah.
of towns around.
Yeah. So there were 3 villages around here. So the other 2 villages escaped from here to Apia. It's called Le'auva'a. Remember the first place we stay? Le'auva'a. It means the crew of the boat.
Oh.
They jump in their boats and paddle and escape.
Later bowl.
Yeah.
None of this.
Ngayon le fingers kingi man fa makalang. Ayo. Ya. Olela foi o le fale. And then yo le fa ngale mo ko si o singu e ferka come ai. O ka kala mai le el komiki le. Ya, ga ko ko ai ma. Go yo lo e il ga ko fanga mulmuli.
Si se me da loi.
Vai pen ko kai lua kala. Ao kai lua kala. En ko lima kala. Yoi. Maka ko lima kala ngai lalo. Nang ile ma ile ai farol ngua ile se kupe ave singu.
Ya, vai.
Ya amai akon me nga. Ale